Hermes agent is powerful, but without the right skills, it won't be able to perform the right task. That's when we need to know about the skill system in Hermes agent. What are the different ways to create these skills? What is the basic structure? Creating a custom stock price skill and testing it. Installing the pre-configured skill. Validating the skill. And how you can create a skill automatically by chatting. So we are going to cover all of this. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Skills provide the right tools and knowledge to perform a task. You can either use a pre-existing skill or create a custom skill. On the Hermes agent website, you got Skills Hub. There you can search for many skills. In this, we'll be focusing on creating custom skills, install pre-built skills, and finally, create a skill automatically. So first, let's focus on creating custom skills. But as a prerequisite, you need Hermes agent installed on your computer. So I'm going to take you through that quickly. Installing Hermes agent is simple, just this one line of command. I'm just going to copy this. I'll provide all the code and the instruction in the description below. So first I'm going to paste that in my terminal from my computer and then clicking enter. Now you can see it's automatically getting installed. Now it's going through the step-by-step installation process. I'm going to do a quick setup. Here I'm going to choose Custom Direct API and I'm going to use Qwen 3.7 Max. That is currently trending on many of these benchmarks. Also currently it's going for half the price, so I'm going to use that. So I'm inside Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. Clear instruction is here. So this is the base URL. So that is what we need to provide. So I'm providing that here to the Hermes agent and clicking enter. Next, I need to provide the API key, which I can generate from here, get API key. And just copying the API key and pasting it here and clicking enter. Everything I want to auto detect. So typing 1, clicking enter, choosing the Qwen 3.7 model. So choosing 5. And now it's all ready. It's asking me to set up messaging now, but I'm going to skip because I'm going to focus on the skills area. And I'm also going to install the gateway as a background service. Yes, and then click enter. That's it. It's all ready now. I can even source this if Hermes is not available on my terminal. So now I can just type Hermes and then click enter. And here is Hermes agent. The basic installation step is done with the model which I want to use. And now it's all ready. Now the first step is to create a custom skill. So how can you do that? First, I'm going to exit the current Hermes. On my root folder, you'll have .hermes and skills. So inside this folder, I have these folders. So I'm going to open this in my code editor to explain you clearly. So opening the Hermes folder in my cursor, and this is how the folder look like. So you got the skills folder inside the Hermes. So there are different category of skills. In my case, I'm going to use productivity as the main category. There, I'm going to create a skill called stock price. So create a folder called stock price. Inside that, SKILL.md and scripts. So literally only 2 extra files. The SKILL.md file will contain what this stock price skill will do and how it's fetching the data, just for the agent to understand. And it explains how to use the tool. So here you can see it's using Yahoo Finance, and by just calling the function and the symbol, you'll get the stock price. So very simple, few lines of code, and you can see it's referring to the tools.py, which is inside the scripts folder. So if I open the scripts folder here, you can see tools.py. Opening that, so literally it's just few lines of code again. To this function, if I pass the symbol, it will return the stock price in USD. So Hermes is able to automatically detect the folder which we just created, that is stock price, with the skill description and the skill to run. Now we are going to see in the terminal. So going to open the terminal again, if it's properly initiated. So going to type Hermes skills list. So here's the list of skills, and in our case the category is productivity. So here you can see the stock price skill is here and it's available local. So which means the skill what we just created is available for the Hermes agent to use it. So now I'm going to try that. Going to my terminal and typing Hermes and then click enter. Now we are entering the chat. Now I'm going to ask, what is the stock price of Apple? Now it's viewing the skills and it identifies the stock price skill, and now it's trying to run it with this Apple symbol. And here is the answer. Apple stock price 310 USD. That is correct. So our skill successfully worked. Now you can create unlimited skills using this basic setup, and you can use this skill in a repetitive mode. Next, I want to show you how to install pre-built skills. As I have shown before, Skills Hub is the area where you can find other skills. One skill I want to try is Kubernetes. So I'm searching for that, and you can see all the skill here. So you can use this skill. I'm opening this skill, and here's the instruction. Just copy this and come back to the terminal. I'm going to exit the current Hermes chat, clearing the screen, and add this CLI command. And you can see here skills automatically getting added. But here, just because this skill is from community, just for security reason, the installation is blocked. I can force things to happen, but for now, I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to find another skill. OpenAI also released few skills. So you can also use external skills which are not available within Hermes. So in my case, I'm going to use this OpenAI skills Kubernetes. Let's do that. Copying that and then typing that in my CLI or terminal. Now it's fetching the skill, and that will automatically install the skill. Next, to confirm if the skills is available, you can see again Hermes skills list. There you can see it's here Kubernetes, and it's local and trusted. So now if I can run this command. If you don't know about Kubernetes, it's an orchestration framework to publish any application. So now I can ask Hermes, provide me stats about my Kubernetes cluster. Now it's going to use the Kubernetes skill, and here is the response. And it's faster as well with this Qwen 3.7 max. You can see the node resource usage, the number of CPUs, and how much is currently being used, the memory, and how much the memory is being used. That is really nice. Finally, I want to show you how you can create a skill automatically. It's very simple. Coming back to Hermes, what I'm going to say, understand about praise and AI, help CLI command, and then create a skill based on that. Just I'm instructing Hermes agent to create a skill automatically. And this is the simplest way to create a skill. But by understanding how it's done manually, you can verify if it's done correctly. So that is the advantage of knowing how to create skills from scratch manually, just to validate what the AI agent or the Hermes agent is creating it automatically. You can see the skill is now created, and all the instruction is also being created. That is really nice. To verify that, I can exit now and Hermes skills list, and here is the praise and AI CLI, autonomous AI agents locally. And to see the file, you can see the skills, autonomous AI agents, praise and AI CLI. So here is the instruction. You can see the structure on how to create a SKILL.md file, name, description, version, tags, triggers, and general information regarding that skill, and how to run the CLI command. As simple as that. For more information, you got detailed information in this documentation page on the list of required things to create a SKILL.md manually. You also have other options such as additional docs, output formats, that is in templates. Scripts is what we just created, the tools.py file. Assets are the supplementary files. So in this way, you can make the skill more advanced and more efficient. You also have this Hermes skill CLI commands to quickly validate or create, update, or delete your skills, just for a managing purpose. I'll provide all the information in the description below. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Hermes agent, I also created another video about OpenClaw skills. How can you create unlimited skills in OpenClaw? It's similar to this, but it's good to know how it's managed there. And I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.